what turned me on to Cornerstone, and the reason I went with them is their whole process is very systematic.
It was really clear that Susan could understand my needs and then execute on it super quick.
Step 1, 2, 3, 4, they had everything laid out and they were very organized. So it's not like, oh, we'll talk and figure out what to do. They said, here's how it works.
She's helped us understand the things that we can do ourselves and that we don't need her for, as well as capabilities, the things that she can do to make what it is that we're doing much slicker.
And that's what I'm trying to do with my business, is that organized, systematic approach. And I said, well, who better to do it than somebody that does it for themselves?
I really depend on people like Cornerstone to have my back. It's just less stress on me.
I spoke with probably 3 or 4 different potential consultants, and Susan was clearly the one who could speak clearly and effectively. I needed someone who could communicate.
She knows how to think like a salesperson using the CRM would think. And so she's like, oh no, they're gonna want this up here and that up there. And I'm like, duh, yes, of course they want that up there. Why didn't I think of it?
It's like the old thing of teach someone how to fish versus giving them a fish.
What we like to say is they're not a vendor, we have a relationship with them, right? They're a partner with us.
If you want a CRM that will grow with you over time, it's Zoho. And if you need an expert to help you with that transition, it's Susan.